How to make a hamster. Evenly brush a thin layer of petroleum jelly or conditioner, lip balm, or lotion inside the mold. For details, such as hamster ears, fingers, etc., you can apply more Vaseline. Measure A and B glue in a 1:1 weight ratio using a measuring cup. Need to stir thoroughly. Pour glue into small cups, add pigment, stir along the cup walls, then pour back into the measuring cup and mix thoroughly. The purpose of pouring back into the measuring cup is to prevent the pigment in the mixing cup from adhering to the wall and causing the pigment to sink. Carefully pour the glue into the mold to avoid overflow. Bubbles will self-eliminate. Wait for 5–6 hours. Inexperienced people can demold in water. Peel edges with fingertips. Pay attention to the details of the hamster's claws and ears and slowly remove the mold. Evenly spread the flocking powder and gently roll the hamster over it to coat the surface. Press the eye accessories firmly into place. Add pink color to the hamster's hands and face using eyeshadow or blush. Small amount of coloring. Place the hamster into the bed and decorate it with pom-poms or other accessories as desired.